Welcome back to my platform. This is Guchi's Kitchen. Today I want us to make jollof rice. I just did jollof rice stew and stew for the house. I usually use this pot for my stew. So because I want to make jollof rice the day after, I decided to leave my stew, some of it in this pot. Yeah, so I'll be using this stew to make my jollof rice. So here is my chicken stock. I'm going to be adding everything. Mind you, this stew is fresh. It's freshly made. So you just want to add your stuffs and then get it going. Yeah. So that is how you can make easy jollof rice. Once you have your stock ready, you have your chicken stock, you have your jollof rice stew ready, you are good to go. So here is our rice. I've gone ahead to clean the rice. You just want to put everything in and let it start going. Yeah, don't want to waste time. So get your patla, you just stir it in. This is how to get your special jollof rice done. This is going to come out wonderful, guys. So I want to throw in my butter. Yeah, what is jollof rice without your butter? I'll be adding some rosemary seasoning, some curry powder. Here I'll be adding some bay leaf. Add some more water. Stir everything to combine. My stew is very tasty, so I don't want to add salt until I taste. Then I know if I need some more salt. Okay, now all I need is a little salt. The meat stock and the stew itself, the taste is so amazing. This is half a teaspoon of salt. I'm going to add it like so. And here I will let my rice cook. Guys, I'm going to give this rice like 15 minutes. Yeah. And I'll come back to see if it's soft. Okay? Stay tuned, guys. Thank you for watching. So, guys, I'm doing buns. So let's do the buns together. Okay? In this very buns recipe, I'm using self-rising. I'm not using all-purpose. Now I'm using self-rising flour because I need to get out of this kitchen. So whenever I want to make buns like quickly, I use self-rising. So you can see what I'm grating in here. I'm grating in my nutmeg, okay? Just one nutmeg, that's what I'm grating. So here is my salt, a little pinch of salt. If you like to use cinnamon, you just put a little bit, just a little bit. All you actually need is just the aroma. Okay, I'm not putting baking powder here because self-rising has everything already. Okay, so here I'm going to be adding all the dried ingredients first, which you can see. I'm going to add my sugar, bring it to a mix. I will not be telling you how many cups of flour. This will be on another recipe, but this is a lot of flour because I'm trying to get a lot of buns here. Okay, hey guys, so here I'll be stirring everything to get everything into each other. This is a lot. Trust me. Here you just want to dig a well, dig a hole. Just want to put this for flavor's sake. For flavor's sake. And next is my milk. Remember, for your buns mixture, all your ingredients has to be cold. I'll be showing you how to do the one with all-purpose flour, okay? This is my own secret one I used to do. I'm using my 2 hands here. Yeah. You don't need to add any other thing here but a little drop of water, okay? Just a little bit. So guys, you just do it gently until you bring everything together. You know, this is the consistency we want it to be on. As you can see, yeah, this is the consistency you want to leave your buns mixture, so as you're frying, to come out good. All right, I will just close it up. I'll just close it up, guys, and I'll let it sit for a little bit, and then we'll start frying. If you wish, you can use your ice cream scooper, but I'm going to be using my hand, because if I use my hand, I'm faster, but this ice cream scooper will waste my time. I learned with using my hand. You can use your ice cream scooper, you can use your hand, so it's your choice. This oil has wonderful flavors in it already, okay? So I already, use the oil to fry some onions. I've taken it out, so I like to put those in my oil to give it a lovely aroma. Okay. You know that buns, the way buns used to look, that's what I want here. Can you see how it's looking? That is how your buns should look. If you like, you can do it like this. I want to get a lot in. So guys, here is our rice. So this rice is so delicious. I have to cover with parchment paper because I don't want it to get burnt. I load the light on very low heat. So I'm going ahead to add some vegetables. That rice is good. That rice is good. Chechi, that rice is good. Come and have a taste. You want to take a plate and take some? You want to eat some right now?
No.
Okay, just one minute. Guys, see my baby girl. See my jollof baby. See my jollof baby.
That's good.
That's my jollof baby. She owns this rice. Yeah, she owns this rice and the buns, guys. She's my jollof baby. She loves jollof a lot.
A lot. Number one dish. No, I was telling mommy that I would live off of jollof rice.
Tell them something. Tell them something about your auntie's food and your auntie's jollof.
Auntie,
say something to my
Auntie
friend.
comes in clutch. She comes in clutch with this rice. I tell you, it's a whole war at our house. Every time I do make jollof rice, me first. I get first grab.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh my God, that rice is good. Thank you, Esther. So guys, we are dishing this. Here is our buns. Here is our Nigerian buns, guys. Yeah. So we have more here.